This is how you replace your latch on your Folkrm adjustable pulls. Step 1, grab this piece and this piece, and we're going to screw them on. Put it all the way on. Step 2, take this piece, feed it through here, like this. Step 3, this part's a little tricky, but you need to get this pin through here, through this hole, and through the other side. We're going to feed it through this hole, like this. Now, what we need to do is we need to take a hammer and hammer this piece in with a screwdriver. So this is easiest when you tighten the pull. Now you have access to this and your pin's not moving. So get an edge of a table, something hard, take a small screwdriver. You're going to line your screwdriver up, hold it in place, and you're going to give it a nice hammer. And what that's done is it's crimped this piece onto there. Now you have a fully working pole. You may want to make sure that this piece has been fully splayed out. You can see here's an example of one that's been fully splayed out, and that is what's going to lock it in place. If it doesn't look splayed out to you, just hammer it again. Get yourself back on the skin track with a brand new, fully fixed clasp.